I basically spent my entire birthday month doing and getting everything that I wanted. So for my birthday, part of it was spent in Philadelphia where I was able to see my family and do a little shopping. I took advantage of the fact that I was in Philadelphia and was able to go to King of Prussia Mall where they had basically all of the high-end stores all in one place. What made me even more excited was that their Louis Vuitton had in stock a few items that was sold out online, so basically I was able to go in store, get what I wanted, and leave with it the same day. This had all timed out perfectly because I came into town with some money to spend and was actually able to get everything that I wanted immediately, and so I just felt like that couldn't have been a better gift. I think in today's time, everybody just have a lot of impatience with waiting. Either it's going to ship and arrive tomorrow or I'm going to go pick it up today. So that was the mood when I bought this Key Pouch M. The whole idea was to get pouches and different things like that so I can organize my purse and basically have everything look uniform. I use this pouch to store my cords and my chargers and my selfie stick. And these were items that were just all floating around in my purse at one point. So now they all have a designated spot. And what makes this even better is the fact that I love how the Louis Vuitton print looks against the color of my base tote. And let's not even mention the fact that my base tote can even fit all of these things, okay? So, yes, I love my setup, and this is what's in my bag.
I don't have to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.